a smarter, better way to clean hard floors. Tinco Floor 1 S3 easily tackles tough jobs. Mop and vacuum auto mode in one smart step. The fastest clean for hard floors. Know it's completely clean in half the time. Now you know it's clean. Self-cleaning, always ready.
BGU 8000, Bissell Commercial's lightweight upright, weighs only 9 pounds. Large carry handle to move from room to room with ease. Fingertip controlled on-off switch. Virtually indestructible fan with lifetime warranty. 40-foot detachable cord for easy replacement. Quick release storage hook makes removing the 40-foot power cord quick and simple. Rubber blade helps clean small particles off bare floors without hoses, attachments, or adjustments. Bristle brush edge cleaning with high-velocity suction channels for baseboard and stair cleaning. Large rear wheels to transport from room to room. Top-fill disposable snap-on, snap-off bag is one of the biggest disposable bags in the industry. Non-marring bumper and outer cloth bag protects furniture and baseboards. Self-adjusting brush roller makes going from carpet to bare floors an ease with no manual adjustment.